How to get Peacock on Firestick. I'm going to tell you how to get Peacock on a Firestick. Start by powering on your Firestick and making sure you're connected to Wi-Fi. From the home screen, go to the magnifying glass icon at the top left. That's the search function. Type in Peacock using your remote. You'll see the Peacock TV app pop up in the results. Click on it, then press download or get. The app will install in a few seconds. Once it's done, open it right away. Now if you already have a Peacock account, go ahead and sign in. If not, you can create one directly from the app. Peacock offers a free trial, but you can also subscribe to Peacock Premium or Premium Plus if you want more content and fewer ads. Once you're logged in, you can start browsing everything from live sports and movies to original shows and NBC classics. If you don't see the app in search, make sure your Fire Stick is up to date. Just go to Settings, My Fire TV, About, and check for updates.